Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And, we have a confirmation of a few things tonight. As there was a post today with, which is interesting. So the post is Brandon LeBlanc from the Insider team. So what happens is that the version 19.041, so let's check it out here, .208, the one that I've been testing out for more than a week, has been sent to release preview. And we have confirmation of a few things. We have confirmation that it's called the May 2020 update. Very simple. The post really clearly says May 2020 update. And we also have a confirmation that this is a final fix, 19.041.208. That means that we are here. So the videos that I've been posting, with all the features and stuff coming from the version 2004, or what is the May 2020 update, is they're all, valid because it's clear that this is officially the next version of Windows 10 now. So that also means that tomorrow is May 1st, and that means that we are weeks away from starting the upgrade version of Windows 10. That means that some of you will start getting slowly, and the way they work, actually the steps that's going to be following here is seekers first. What are seekers? Seekers are people that go to Windows Update and check for an update. Now, don't go right now. Today, we're April 30th. It's not available yet. It will be available in the next week or two. And I will actually post a video when seekers can actually get it. Once again, don't hurry. I get people here that say, well, where can I get this? I want to have it now. You can have it now if you go to the release preview ring in the Insider program. Don't ask for a download link. There's no download link right now. Well, there's one in the Insider previews, but I mean, just wait. There's not enough new things to really get people excited about. So we are at the May 2020 update. It's pretty much this. One of the things that I would like to do in this video is answer a few questions that people have been asking. So first of all, people that have had problems in the past, there's a few people, there's people with gaming that said, well, I got some problems with, frame rate and so on. One of the things that's very important here is that most of these problems, frame rates in gaming, sound, somebody was telling me that there was some popping and crackling in the sound when he was recording. These have very little to do with Windows itself, honestly, and a lot more to do with updated drivers, because that's the problem. If you're going to the May 2020 update, you'll have to get the May 2020 update versions of drivers, and that's the problem. Not all of them are available yet. So just be patient, and that's why, waiting is not a bad idea. So the first step, of course, will be seekers in the next few weeks, people that are going to Windows updates, and it's not going to install automatically. Seekers are going to see it in the optional updates, and you'll have a choice of installing it or not. This has been tested and being tested since December. I mean, we are May. So there's been a lot of testing, and I think this thing is going to be quite safe to upgrade. But that said, you don't have to. You can still stay to whatever version you have unless you're at the limit of support of a version. Then there will be, of course, the official release that will go slowly to people that are going to want to upgrade. And these are going to show up in a certain order. Once again, I always get people saying, I don't see this. Well, you don't see it. You don't, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The real answer to I don't see it is it doesn't matter. I understand that some of you want to have it real fast, but it doesn't matter, okay? You'll have it when you have it. And if you don't see it at some point, it's because something is not compatible in your machine. It's always the same thing with Windows 10. The beauty of this version, like the versions of 2019, they're not forced on you, pushed on you, or anything. You just, if you see it, you can just leave it there. As long as you don't click download and install, it's not going to install. I still get people saying, well, that was forced on me. It wasn't. Nothing is forced on you on these versions, except if you were on a really old version of Windows 10 that needed to upgrade. Of course, it's going to be forced on you because you have no support, no more updates for security. Those people are getting forced to a new version. For the rest, if you're on the May or November 2019, you won't be forced. You'll see it appear as an optional update. There's not going to be any forcing of anything there. So, just hang on and you'll see when it gets to your machine. If you're wondering what are the new features, well, I posted a series of videos. Maybe a few more will be posted, but most of the videos that I've posted are pretty much telling you what are the new features and here. And, we're moving on. We're 2020, and the first version for this year is now pretty much ready to roll out in the next few weeks. Maybe on Patch Tuesday. We'll see. But pretty much sure that it's called the May 2020 update now. If you have any questions, anything that you'd like to know, you know what? Post it in the description below the video. Post it as a question. I will look at the comments and the questions and try to make a big video answering most of the questions that you guys have on this new version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.